Hey guys, so today I'm doing a video on the hair that I've done today. I did a tutorial. It's, I call them waves. They look like waves more than curls. And I did it using the Conair curling wand. This is the one that I use. It's pretty small, but it works pretty well. Seriously, I cannot do hair, so if I can do it, you can do it. Honestly, I know that's so cliche, but it's true. So if you're interested in watching the video, just keep watching. So you'll need a comb or a brush, hair clips, I'm using crocodile clips, and a curling wand or iron. So you'll want to brush your hair out to get rid of any knots or tangles, or you can use a comb. Using the clips, I part my hair into 4 sections and clip each section up. Taking small or medium to small size chunks of hair, you'll want to curl your hair away from your face. Depending on how hot you have your setting on, you'll want to leave it on for 5 to 15 seconds. Once you've let go of the curl, just leave it alone and don't touch it, and leave it to let it cool and move on with the rest of your hair. I've sped up the video so you guys don't get bored, but I just continued curling away from my face throughout my whole head.
I left the keys in the car, I left the door ajar. I didn't want to be alone. These are the days and the nights of these sweet humbling heights. I know it used to be home. Whisk me away, I'll be yours for a day, in heavenly fields we can roam. Oh, you're my queen, right there. Oh, you're my queen, right there. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? What are you doing to my head? Oh, you're my queen.
Finally, it's the last piece, and I'm left-handed, and believe it or not, the left side was the hardest for me to do than the right.
Everybody's looking for a fix. Show me a sign, I'll cut the telephone line just to keep expectations alive.
Once you're done, make sure all the curls are pulled before you move on to anything else. Meanwhile, you can go get your hairspray or whatever you want to put on your hair for afterwards.
It might be too late, keep on breathing.
using BioSilk Silk Therapy. It smells really good and it makes your hair all nice and shiny. In the video, I am finger combing the curls or waves out, but after the video, I found out that I liked it a lot better using a wide tooth comb and just combing it out. So you'll want to try it that way. Anyway, here's the finished look, and this is how it looks. Sorry, I'm all in the way, but that's just how, I was just trying to show you how it looks all the way up and down. So that's pretty much it. Thanks you guys for watching, and I hope you liked it.